Down here at Florida Boy Customs, opening up our package shipment from CT Sounds. Got the 12-inch Meso 12 dual vocal coil with a humongous magnet on the bottom. This thing is heavy. Got one coil right there and one coil right there. The cone is put together well. Got some nice thick stitches around it. Can't wait to install this in the customer's car. Like I said, we got a shipment of a bunch of CT Sound. Get at us for all your CT Sound needs. Florida Boy Customs. 800-319-4940. We got MIG bass speakers, components, tweeters, amp kits, 12s, Class D amps. This 14.1. Got everything you need for CT Sound. Get at us.